as we know that Nani Teri Morni is going to be seen tomorrow. So
No, today. Today, 6
yeah,
o'clock.
today. So what you want to say about your film, like how it is and how it is interesting for the kids?
So kids will love this film Nani Teri Morni because see there is that lot of thrill is there. It's a very motivational film. It's a very actually motivational film, and the house stories nowadays. What happened? We kids are also on games and all those internet game and everything, but again the beauty of that actually human touch, one-to-one story, what we get from our parents, what we from our elders, that is very important. That changes our life. So this is the real fact. Whatever this story is not fiction, like is I will say 99.99% it's a fact, and still it's very stick to the original, and still it's entertaining, and it is inspiring. Definitely kids should not even kids, even all of us have a kid inside us, so it's for everyone.
But when I saw it online, it was partial Hindi.
Yes.
So there will be problem in watching it.
No, because subtitle is there. Subtitle is in English, and partial Hindi is like there are two fictional character in my film. They speak in Hindi. Though they speak Hindi, so that's why. Otherwise, and throughout the film there is subtitles, so it won't be any issue.
And what about biopics? What you want to say? Like even the film Sanju, was it a biopic?
No, not at all, not at all. All a biopic. I will not buy it. People have different opinion.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.